In the previous lesson, we looked at how we could set up our document. So we got our title, we put it in the middle, and we changed the font size. Then we added a table, we added columns, and we added rows, as well as shading the top row so it was a different color. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put links in here. Now the links that we're going to put in are to images related to this particular fact. Now we're going to use a keyboard shortcut in order to switch between our internet browser and our Word document. Now on a PC, it's Alt and then the Tab key. If you press that, if you keep your finger on the Alt key and then just press the Tab key, you can see you can switch between the different applications on your computer. So we have here a Word document, we have Google Chrome open, and that is the desktop. So if we release that, we go to our desktop, press the Alt, press Tab again, we go back to Word, press Alt, press Tab again, we go to Chrome. So let's stay in Chrome and we want to go to Images. So I've got Google open here and we want to click on where it says Images. Now we can search for different images. Let's go back to our Word document. So Alt, Tab, and we want to look at an image that will be related to personal information. So I'm going to do Alt, Tab, and then I'm going to type in here personal information. Return. Okay, so we got lots of images here. Now the problem with these images, they are generic images and they may be copywritten. So we can't necessarily use these. We need to go to Tools, and then that will open up a new menu here. We're going to click on Usage Rights. And then we're going to click on this one here where it says labeled for non-commercial reuse with modification, which basically means we can use this in our documents with no problem and modify the image if we need to. So let's click on this. Now these are all the images that we can now use. Now what we need to do is find an image that is suitable. Now there's an image here that I kind of like. I'm going to click on this and this is the image I'm going to use. Now what we can do is go over to here and we've got various different options. We can share the image. Okay, so we're going to share the image. We're going to click on that and we're going to copy the link by clicking on the link here. Now what that does, it copies it to our clipboard. If we wanted to be sure of that, we can press Control C and then that will copy that to the clipboard. Okay, so now what we need to do is do Alt Tab, go back to our document, and now what we can do is paste this in. Now to paste in, we can do Control V and that will paste that link in. And if we press the space bar after the link, that will turn it into our link. Now that's going to go to our image when we click it. But when we do click it, we have to press the Control button and then click. And you can see the finger appears there. Now we're going to go one step further. So I'm going to scroll down to this one here. We're going to write the words click here to view the image. Okay, so and we're going to highlight the word here. Now let's go back to Google Chrome. So Alt Tab, and we're going to go up and we're going to search now for secure password. So I'm going to click on this image here. We're going to go down to share and we're going to click on the link again and then go back to our Word document by Alt Tab. And now what we're going to do, we've highlighted the word here. Let's right click on that and we're going to choose hyperlink. Now under the address button here, we're going to paste that link in. So let's do Control V and then click OK. Now we've got a link here. So what we can do is press the Control key, press the button, and then that is going to open up that image within Internet Explorer, as you can see. So let's close that down. Now we've got our images. Obviously what you need to do is go and find an image for these 3 sections here. So that concludes this lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to look at how we can create a professional PowerPoint presentation using the information from this Word document. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more educational technology videos. Until next time, goodbye.